guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. For today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to Erin Condren for sending me this giant box here. There are so many goodies inside, and to go over all the items in this box, we're going to be doing a 3-video series. So the very first video in this series is today, and we're going to be going over the monthly planner that's going to be coming out in a couple days. After that, for the second video, we're going to be going over some new accessories, and then finally for the third video, we're going to be going over the academic planner for 2020-2021 school year. So I'm really excited to share all these products with you. Like I said, it's going to be a 3-part video series. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of them. And without further ado, let's jump into it. The new Erin Condren monthly planner will be available on the website this Tuesday, June 9th. And you guys will see that here I got the silver coil and with this gorgeous neutral banana leaf cover. And when you flip it open, you'll notice it says monthly planner. I want to reiterate, this is not the deluxe monthly planner that they've had in the past. They've completely reformatted this. So you'll also see that I got the neutral insides for this planner. I typically go for colorful, but I thought the neutral went really well with this cover, so I went with that instead. When we go ahead and flip the page here, we're going to land on our 18-month overview, so July 2020 to December 2021. And then again, when we flip the page, we'll get our 12 boxes that you typically have in a life planner. So you can use these for a number of things. I typically just do the 12 months. And then now we're already on our very first monthly page in this planner. When we flip, we'll get a monthly overview, very clean, very simple. And when we flip the page again, now we're on the monthly dashboard that we have seen in the life planners. I'm really excited for this page. Now we have 1, 2, maybe 3, and 4. We have 4 sets of pages there of lined pages, and then we get into the next month and it repeats. So you'll notice that they have switched this up. This is no longer the quote deluxe monthly planner, but it still has those extra pages in between the monthly views. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through all these pages here. I got the 12-month planner, so mine goes from July 2020 through June 2021. There are a number of combinations of 12 months that you can get inside this planner that you can pick from that suits your schedule, your routine, or what your needs are. Like I said, mine ends in June 2021. And then after that, we are going to get into some notes pages. So there is a whole section in the back for notes pages. You can either do lined, dot grid, productivity as the layout, and then you can also choose between 40 and 80 pages that you would like in the back. After the notes pages, you do have your 12-month overview of the next year, so that's 2022, I believe that's in there. And then we've got 2 pages of label stickers here in the back that you can use throughout your planner. I absolutely love these things. And then after that, we have a pocket folder, so you've got one on the front and then one on the back as well. And this is great for stashing any little note cards, any grocery lists, anything that you might need to store in there. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys a few ideas of how you can use your monthly planner. I've gone ahead and grabbed my deluxe monthly planner from a few years ago when we were using it as our budget planner. As you can see, I got the rose coil on this one, and then also it notes that it's the deluxe monthly planner, and it's colorful. So although it is a different planner, it's very, very similar in that it has this same exact layout along with a few others. So that is the 18-month overview. I went ahead and got a huge sticker and covered up the portion that I didn't need, and then I noted each of our pay periods or when we were getting paid, and then I also included like a little blocked sticker there to write down a number. Now in this 12-month box area, like I said, this is where you can kind of section it off how you'd like. I've gone ahead and did it by month, so I just used some stickers from Erin Condren. And then also I used a note page to write down all of our expenses. And you can also see here how I've used a coil clip when I ran out of note pages or lines to write on. I just grabbed a note page from the back, stuck a coil clip on it, and then put it where I needed it in my planner. I used the monthly pages to keep track of different bills and expenses that we had throughout the month. And I feel like this is a really good way to kind of get a big picture of the month as a total. So this is a way that you can use it if you're wanting to track finances. And then you can also use the note pages between the months to either track expenses or figure out your budget. I kind of flipped everything around throughout the year to try to figure out what best suited me. My husband and I budget on a weekly basis. And then I also have a monthly overview that I do at the beginning of the month as well. So there's quite a few different things that you can do. Then when it comes to the note pages, like I said, there's so many things that you can do with the note pages. Specifically for our financial planner, I decided to go ahead and write down the Dave Ramsey baby steps so that I always had those right in front of me. I could always reference them if I needed to. And then we also went ahead and tracked our different savings goals along with the student loans that we had at the time. So that is going to wrap up the end of this video. Make sure to comment down below if you have any questions, give it a big thumbs up, and share it with anybody that may be interested. Like I mentioned at the beginning, this is the first of a 3-part series, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you guys haven't already. Thank you.